Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Peters. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use aloe vera for massive hair growth. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, the first step is to get your aloe vera. So I got mine from my garden. You can as well buy from the market if you don't have any around you. So guys, the second thing I do is to get rid of this sharp part because it can be very dangerous. Then the next step is to wash my aloe vera thoroughly to get rid of the latex. The latex is the yellowish substance that comes out of aloe vera. It can be very itchy. So you need to wash your aloe vera very well to get rid of all the latex. I wash it at least 4 times to get rid of all the dirt. Aloe vera offers numerous benefits for hair, including moisturizing, reducing dandruff, promoting hair growth, and soothing the scalp. Guys, I'm done washing my aloe vera right now, so now it's ready to be used. So the second step is to get rid of those sharp parts of the aloe vera. So guys, next step is to chop the aloe vera into smaller pieces, then put it into a bowl, add some water and leave it for about 20 minutes to an hour so that we can get rid of all the latex. So guys, this is after like 4 hours now and the aloe vera is okay to be used. Hey guys, so guys, while I show you guys how I apply the aloe vera to my hair, I will, as usual, educate you guys on the benefits of aloe vera. So these are some of the benefits of aloe vera. Moisturizing. Aloe vera is a great natural conditioner, providing intense hydration to dry and brittle hair, making it softer and more manageable. 2. It reduces dandruff. Aloe vera's soothing and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. It can also help unblock hair follicles that may be clogged by excess oil. 3. It promotes hair growth. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, which can block hair follicles and hinder growth. It also provides essential vitamins and minerals that nourishes the hair and scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. 4. It soothes the scalp. Aloe vera can soothe an itchy and inflamed scalp, providing relief from irritation and discomfort. 5. It strengthens the hair. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and minerals, amino acids, and strengthens the hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. 6. It improves hair texture. Aloe vera can help improve hair texture, making it smoother and easier to manage. 7. It protects the hair from UV damage. Aloe vera's antioxidant properties can help protect hair from damage caused by UV radiation. So guys, please, if you've watched up to this point, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you. Aloe vera is a versatile natural remedy that can address a variety of hair concerns, promoting healthier, stronger, and more manageable hair. It can also be used as a detangler and also as a pre-poo. Aloe vera may control split ends and also reduce dry hair. So if you're struggling with alopecia, dandruff, hair loss, I think you should try this one. So guys, when you're done applying the aloe vera to your hair, I need you to like massage your hair thoroughly, like massage it very well so that the aloe vera can penetrate into your hair strands, into your scalp. So guys, yeah, this is how to apply aloe vera on your hair. There are other methods too, but I just prefer to show you guys this pattern in this video. Please guys, if you're just joining us, if you're new to my channel guys, please watch this video to the end, and also please check my other videos. God bless you. Thank you all. So guys, I'll stop talking here so you can watch the video to the end. Bye guys, I love you all. Bye.